In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain in Mailchimp step by step so you can get your brand set up with a professional web address and move through the process without confusion. If you've been trying to connect a domain for your business email or website and want a simple walkthrough, you're in the right place. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Mailchimp keeps the tools for managing your site and related setup options. Click on website to open those settings. Next, you'll see an option that takes you to Wix. Click Go to Wix. In this setup flow, Wix is handling the domain and email purchase process through the connected website setup. So this is the path you need to follow to continue. Now look for the option that says Get a custom business email. Click that first because it's part of the domain and business setup path. After that, click Get Business Email to move to the next step. This is where the system begins guiding you through the domain connection and purchase process. Once you're on the next screen, click Connect a Domain. This is the key step that tells the platform you want to attach a domain to your account. After that, you'll be asked to choose a domain extension. Click the .com option or select whichever extension you want for your business. Then type in the name you want to search for. This is usually your brand name, business name, or the keyword you want in your domain. Try to keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. After entering the name, click the next arrow to search for available domain options. Mailchimp and Wix will now show you the available results. When you find the domain you want, click Get It. That starts the checkout process for the domain you selected. On the next screen, choose Buy Domain Only if you only want the domain without extra bundled services. Then click Continue. Now, you'll be taken to the payment and plan selection step. Select the plan that fits what you need, then click Continue and Pay to finish the purchase. Make sure you review the pricing, billing details, and domain terms before completing the payment so you know exactly what you're buying. Once the purchase is complete, your domain will be connected through the Mailchimp and Wix setup flow, and you'll be ready to continue building your online presence with a more professional business identity. That's the full process from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. And if you want, I can also help you with the next part, like connecting the domain, setting up email, or pointing it to your website. Thanks for watching.